Previously, I already explained about the WordPress, and I also explained about using the apa yang dipanggil sebagai apa tadi? Okay, apa yang dipanggil sebagai Google Analytics. So I just want to recap back whatever that we learned before, and then sum up everything in a very niceful manner. So first of all, before we break, we already learned about installing the plugin, and I do believe that most of you already installed it. If you fail to do so, please try your best on the other times lah. Maybe Allah SWT try to give some testament to you. So please don't be despair and upset. Despite, please try to do it in other times. Maksudnya malam sikit ke petang sikit ke, you try your best lah. Install these two important plugin named as Global Site Tag, and also another one is SEO Use. After you install these two plugin, then you are able to do some setup. So first of all, go to setting and then proceed with the WP Global Site Tag. So in this WP Global Site Tag, you need to enter your measurement ID. Please bear in mind that your measurement ID should be differ from the previous measurement ID. Therefore, when you open your Google Analytics, you need to establish a new administrative property setup. I just want to recap back so that all of you can appreciate it. And then after that, we try to make the very good article in the future. Okay, so ini adalah contoh overview your Google Analytics will be. And then please go to this button, which is the gear icon on the left down corner over there. Click admin, and then you are able to be navigated through this kind of visualize. And then create not account, but property. Pergi kepada property, and then try to create a new property similarly like what we did before. So if you lost in any way, you can just go back and have a look lah on my explanation with regard to the first attempt using the Google site. So in a nutshell, you have one account, which is my name, and then I have two properties named as Al-Jawzi, and then another one I have another property named as IAQ website. So IAQ website is what we run it inside the our WordPress, and then another one is run under the Google site. So similarly, copy the link for the measurement ID and then insert it inside your Google site tag. As simple as that, and then save the setting. Sometimes it's become some sort of error in here and there, but never mind, just leave like that. Okay, the second part, before we end up our first session, we already learned about posts. And then now, this current moment, I would like to re-emphasize on how you want to create a good post with regard to the posting in the social media or any related items. Okay, first of all, this is your original and newly crafted website. Okay, you have the website over here. And then we have some social media account that can be connected, and then we have the menu, and then we have some sort of widget on the right side here. So let us learn about how to make a post. Mari kita belajar macam mana nak buat post. So first of all, go to the post. Go to the post. Go to the post over here, and then you can see there are four main icon ataupun four main menus. The first one is all posts. Second one is add new post. The second one is a categories, and then the last but not least is the tag. Okay, let us go into the first kind of things that you need to master on it, which is we call it as categories. Go to categories. Categories is actually the way that you want to arrange your article or whatever discussions that you want to make for the public use. For example, I have the item here named as IAQ, so I can specify what kind of IAQ that I'm talking about. So I have also another terminology named as general. So I can have many terminology. Example, I can also put here as health, and then I can just add a new category. So health are talking about the health effects of the people and so on. And then IAQ is talking about the exposure signs, for example. And then the general is talking about the general stuff. So that kind of thing is very useful and important for you in arranging the importance of your article to be pop up inside your website. Faham ke tak apa saya cakap? I'm going to put it here as IAQ because I already spell it up under the indoor equality. So now I'm going to use the IAQ. So it's all up to you. You letaklah beberapa tagging yang sesuai dengan anda punya cerita-cerita dan cerita. Cerita-cerita dan cerita.